The things heated up on day 2. A surprise earnings beat sent several tech stocks soaring. Sarah spotted the trend early and jumped into a position on AMD, riding a 6% gain by mid-afternoon. Neurovest, however, identified a short-term breakout pattern on the same stock, entered and exited the trade in just 17 minutes, locking in a 2.3% profit before the stock pulled back. While Sarah held on for the bigger move, DAI prioritized speed and risk management. By the end of day 2, Sarah was ahead up $560, while Neurovest was at $410. Day 3 was brutal. The Federal Reserve dropped unexpected comments about rate hikes, causing the entire market to tumble. Sarah got caught holding a few positions that turned red. Her losses amounted to $720. Neurovest, on the other hand, detected the shift in sentiment within seconds and started shorting high-volatility stocks. It ended the day up $230. That's when the tide began to turn. Day 4 was a tug-of-war. Sarah shifted her strategy to focus on low-cap stocks showing early signs of reversal. She recovered part of her losses, gaining $280. Neurovest, dealing with choppy market signals, made fewer trades, but remained consistent, closing the day with a modest $112 gain. On day 5, both traders took different paths. Sarah placed a single high-conviction trade based on a bullish divergence on the RS and walked away with a $460 profit. Neurovest executed 25 trades throughout the day, netting a total gain of $398. At this point, the cumulative profit stood at $580 for Sarah and $1,150 for the AI. As the challenge entered the final stretch, it was clear that the AI had a slight edge, not necessarily from huge wins, but from stacking up smaller, consistent gains with near-perfect execution. Day 6 brought a new twist. A major geopolitical event broke out early in the morning, sending futures down across the board. Sarah reacted swiftly, shorting a travel stock and buying into a defense contractor. The result? A solid $610 gain. Neurovest also responded, but with a twist. It began reallocating its trades to commodities and gold-related stocks, playing defense. Gains were modest at $322, but it avoided any major drawdowns. Now came the final day, day 7. Both traders knew it was now or never. Sarah went all in on a tech rebound play, which paid off big $870 in profit by the end of the day. Neurovest deployed its most aggressive trading model, executing 37 trades with a net profit of $755. When the dust settled, the final numbers were in. Sarah, the human trader, $2,060 in total profit. Neurovest, the AI bot, $2,717 in total profit. The AI won, but only by a margin of $657. So, what can we learn from this challenge? First off, AI trading systems are incredibly powerful. They don't get tired, they don't get emotional, and they can process more data in a second than a human can in a week. They're masters of speed, consistency, and precision.